Tonight, it looks like there's another delay in the reopening of the historic Sunset Lounge in West Palm Beach. There it is. This time, it's because the city and the management company are in a fight over legal fees. This is going on while the renovated nightclub is costing taxpayers thousands of dollars a month to just sit there empty. Our investigative reporter Terry Parker is here with an update you will only see here on WPBF 25 News. Terry?
Todd, I've learned that after losing the lawsuit over who was going to run the Sunset Lounge, the city of West Palm Beach has now hired a big-time outside law firm to fight the amount of attorney's fees the city has to pay. The question is, how much more is that going to cost taxpayers? The Sunset Lounge, a historic jewel once home to entertainers such as Louis Armstrong and Ella Fitzgerald, is costing taxpayers $30,000 a month to sit empty after its almost $20 million renovation. And now another legal battle heading to court.
Litigating the amount of fees in the way that has been proposed by the city is just going to further delay the opening of the Sunset. It's just that simple.
Attorney Malcolm Cunningham represents Vita Lounge, a local company that won the bid to manage the Sunset over a year ago over the mayor's objections. 2 weeks later, the city accused Vita of improper lobbying and canceled the agreement. Vita sued and won, the judge saying the city's ruling was arbitrary and capricious. And not only could Vita run the lounge, it was entitled to have the city pay its attorney's fees. Now the city is fighting those fees by hiring the outside law firm of Ackerman LLP, noting in its agenda that Ackerman is a relatively large law firm which represents a broad base of clients. But why pay an outside firm instead of using the city attorneys? And how much more will this cost?
It's that the people suffer in terms of the cost of this and the failure of the city to open a Sunset that would attract tourism to the area.
Cunningham says his fees are somewhere under $1 million, but says paying Ackerman to fight about it could take another year and rack up many more billable hours.
It's been a bumpy road. And our thought was that we were getting to the end of this bumpy road, but the end does not appear to be in sight.
Tonight, the city spokeswoman tells me, despite what the other side says, that the fee dispute will not in any way delay the opening of the Sunset Lounge as negotiations with Vita Lounge are currently ongoing. She also says they can't comment on why they hired the outside firm and how much it will cost because it is ongoing litigation, and this is to ensure the best outcome for all concerned. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.